welcome back to J'sForum. From this video, we are going to start with a series of tutorials where we are going to learn how to use Audacity. If you don't know already, Audacity is a free, open source, cross-platform, multi-track audio recording and audio editing software. So if you don't know what it means, let me explain you. So firstly, Audacity is the best software that is available in the market for audio editing and audio recording. And the brownie points come from the fact that it's a completely free tool and also it's open source, which necessarily means that the code is free to use, modify and distribute by anyone who uses Audacity, and also it's a cross-platform software, which means that it works well across all operating systems, namely Windows, Mac OS and Linux, and that is the best thing. So with that, let's get started. So before jumping right into the tutorials, let me first give you a brief that why I actually learned Audacity and why I decided to make this series. So firstly, I record a lot of videos, I record audios, I record songs, and I record my voiceover for certain videos, and I always wanted a software that is not only easy to learn and obviously free, but also will help me to edit my audio clips, then remove any background noise, then cut and join various audio clips and help me to modify, reduce and amplify the volume. And all of these I found in this tool, which is Audacity, and therefore I learned it, and it's been quite some time now that I've been using Audacity, and therefore I've thought to share my knowledge with you guys so that you also can edit your audio yourself without having the need to hire anybody for this. So this software is pretty easy to use and it's also very simple to get started with. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the installation process. So I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to follow to install this software on your system. And then from the next videos, we will actually be checking out the interface of Audacity and also working with it. So let's get started. So firstly, we are going to search for Audacity on the web browser that you are using, and then you can see that we get the search result. So you need to click on this first option which says download in order to install Audacity. So I'm going to click on that, and then the page is going to open where you going to get all the links and everything that you need to install in order to use Audacity on your system. So I've already told you that Audacity is not only a free and open source software but also cross-platform one, which essentially means that it has its versions that can run for Windows, it can run for Mac OS and also for Linux. And so you can see that we actually get 3 different versions that you can install based on the operating system that you are currently using. So I am on a Windows system and therefore I need to install this one. Okay, so you can see that if you scroll down, you're also going to get the documentations that actually tell you the steps, the entire steps that actually tell you all the steps you need to follow in order to properly install this software on your system. And you can also see that this is available for both 32 as well as for 64-bit version. So based on the configuration of the operating system, so currently I'm working on a 64-bit operating system. I'm going to be installing the 64-bit version. So in case you are not sure whether your operating system is a 64-bit one or a 32-bit one, you can verify that very easily. All you need to do is just go to your settings of your computer, and here you can see under the device specifications, I see that I have a 64-bit operating system installed, right? And therefore whatever I need to install, it has to be based on the 64-bit versions. So therefore I'm going to install the 64-bit version. Now I already have Audacity installed on my system and therefore I will not be downloading it again, but still I will just show you the process. All you need to do is I just need to click on Audacity for Windows, and then you can see that These are the recommended downloads that you need to do, and you can also see that we get certain installers. So these are basically zip files which you will require to unzip it. So since I have decided to install this, it will first ask me that by which name you want to save this file. So you can give a particular file name, or you can go with the default name that Audacity itself will provide. And then also you need to set the location where you need to install, or where you want to install this particular application. So if you want to install it on desktop, just select that and then click on save, and you will see that the application will be installed in that particular location. And then everything is pretty simple. You just need to follow the steps, and then you are going to have Audacity on your system. Okay, now you can also see that we have certain optional downloads. So these are basically certain plugins and libraries that you may install once you install Audacity, and they are going to provide you some additional control or some additional functionalities. And out of these, the most important one that mostly people install is this one right here. This is a library that actually allows Audacity to work with many additional audio file formats. Like if you want to work with these kind of sub-complex file formats, then you will need to include this library. But for now, we are not going to discuss about all of these complexities, because I want these tutorial series to be pretty simple and also very practical, so that you not only get to learn from these videos, but you also can implement them in your actual life. Right? So now we have seen the installation process. So I will just quickly open Audacity to just show you that how Audacity will look the first time when you are going to open it. So you can see that I have opened the Audacity software, and here we are going to get the welcome screen. You are going to get some tips, and we don't require all of this. So I'm just going to click on OK, and this is the Audacity software that you are going to see the first time you install Audacity on your system, and then you open the software. Okay, so in this video, all I wanted to show you was just the installation process. So this was all I wanted to discuss about the installation process, and also how to get started with this software. So this was all for this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button. So if you're new to J'sForum, subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos every week. And also comment down your thoughts below that whether you actually like this video or not, what are the different kind of tutorials you want me to create. And also save this playlist so that you can access all the other exciting videos on Audacity that I will be bringing to you very soon. So until next time, bye.